The U.Dance National Festival is a flagship event of U.Dance UK, and it is designed to celebrate the best of youth dance from right across the country. Usually the National Festival takes place in a different city each year, bringing together youth dancers from right across the UK for a fantastic, vibrant celebration of youth dance across a weekend. This year, unfortunately, as with so many large events, we were unable to deliver the U.Dance National Festival in person. So we decided to move online, and with that we created U.Dance Digital 2020.
Welcome to U.Dance Digital 2020.
And in these uncertain times, love and passion for dance has kept us all together, kept us connected.
You can keep learning, even in these difficult times when you want to desperately be in a studio and be creating and honing your technique and working with your coaches and teachers.
We were really ambitious with the amount of content we wanted to offer at the festival. To get everyone dancing, you could take part in masterclasses from some of the country's leading professionals, from contemporary dance, to rep from some of the biggest West End shows, from ballet to katak, Latin and ballroom and hip hop. There was something for everyone.
I think U.Dance was an incredible event, an incredible opportunity for so many young people, young dancers, dance enthusiasts to get together at this time and dance to their heart's content.
An important part of the U.Dance experience is learning about dance as a career behind the scenes as well. So we set up a series of careers chats and industry panels showcasing dance careers across a range of contexts, where young people could send in any questions they wanted and have industry leaders answer them live in a really informal, accessible way.
The real important thing is to have people around you that believe in you, that's going to get you going from the beginning. For that to happen, you need to be able to articulate clearly where you're going and who you are and what makes you unique.
To give a youthful voice to the festival, we called upon our brilliant team of youth dance ambassadors. They had the opportunity to host and introduce each session and interview industry leaders.
Hearing that dancers are superheroes is what I needed to hear right now, and it just made me feel empowered to go out and make some positive change in the world of dance.
We wanted to bring the festival and some of the biggest names in dance directly to young people in their homes. We programmed 30 varied sessions across the 3 days, each day starting with a warm-up and ending with evening entertainment, so there was something for absolutely everybody to enjoy. Best of all, U.Dance Digital was completely free of charge to take part in. At U.Dance UK, we want to give all children and all young people access to high-quality dance experiences, and by delivering the event in this way, we remove the barriers of distance, travel and cost. We'd like to say a huge thank you to absolutely everybody involved. That's participants, group leaders, volunteers, session leaders, partners and sponsors for making U.Dance Digital 2020 such a wonderful, vibrant and successful event.